They don't have money, but they're funny, and they're coming to your country. They're the backpack bandits.
Okay, so our last days in Albania, we just had some coffee over there and got these sunbeds here for 500 lek and an umbrella, and I guess it's okay. It's the same in Durrës. How's the beach?
Very wavy. I didn't step in the water, but it's probably warm.
The sand is very soft, but it's also very hot. There's a handsome man over there. Ooh. Okay, it's not that hot. I mean, it's not that warm. It's nice.
Real wavy. You might drop your phone. Be careful. I almost dropped mine.
And the water looks... I think this is the cleanest water I've seen so far in Albania.
Right here?
Yes. Yay. Oh, feels good. Feels good. I feel like I'm reborn after my incident here in Albania. I don't know. I think I got food poisoning.
Oh.
But yeah.
Well,
For those of you who are wondering what we do when we don't go to the beach, this is what we do.
Well, I'm never becoming president.
We should do our review on this table because Albania doesn't have any food, and we can just roast it.
Last night I watched Goodfellas, and I got inspired to cook for my wife in a wife beater. I just felt like doing something with my hands, you know, letting her know, you know. But I had to stir the pot, make sure, you know. You got to make sure you always stir the pot.
Okay, nice. This looks nice. Some tomatoes, roasted.
It's very
veggies.
spicy, and I didn't add any salt or pepper to this. This is spicy
Nice,
as hell.
soft bread. Ooh, fresh. Some
What's spicy?
jajak? I don't know. Cheese, meatballs, and some more meat. Here in our last few days in Albania, we are in Vlore. I think this is called Plaži I Veter, something like that. It's generally a calm, nice beach, and now we're watching the sunset and drinking.
I'm gonna move that chair so you can see it. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Come here, little guy. Here. Eat it. Come on. Bite it. That's right. Where are we going?
Today we're going to Zvernec,
Yeah, we're gonna walk there because I can't deal with this buses and all this stuff. So after our family hitchhike, now we are here in the forest. This reminds me of Marmaris a little bit, but it's very nice. It's looking and smelling very natural. So we got our chairs here for 500 lek, which is about €5. We're right in front of the sea. The water looks much cleaner than the ones that we've been in the city center. And there's some Albanian music playing, a lot of umbrellas.
there are running jokes in all of these videos.
I'm sorry, I can't memorize all of your videos.
No, it's not. It's not enough to remember.
Simon out here drinking brandy out on the beach.
Because I'm classy.
Wow.
I'm in a James Bond movie.
I'm drinking Tirana. Gazoo. Okay, now we got our shoes on and we're leaving this nice beach that we stayed at for about like 3 hours, 4 hours or so. And I think it's gonna be sunset in an hour, so maybe we can get to watch it in the bridge while passing over to the island.
Maybe. I got stuff falling in and out of my hands, and I actually was about to get hit by a car.
Read that online that it's not a very good thing to take videos or pictures inside, and it's recommended not to, but
I'm gonna take one real quick. Sorry.
what happened? What happened?
Crazy white lady came up to me and asked for a photo.
Wow. It looked like she was forcing a photo.